Move fast, move smart, move your products with IBT. Your one-stop industrial solution is also your conveyor expert. With mechanical and industrial engineers on staff, IBT provides you with industry-leading indoor conveyor solutions. From parts and product to service, from upgrades to maintenance, we have everything you need to keep your business moving in the right direction. Install, speed up, or expand your line, make it more efficient, and increase productivity with automation. From package and pallet conveyors to food processing conveyors and specialty conveyors, we're proud to work with a variety of suppliers to help you get the job done. Our family business has continued strong since 1949 because we have the expertise, customer skills, and raw ability to deliver custom solutions designed specifically to address our customers' needs. Contact us to request a quote or get a free evaluation.